What up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you a fat burning workout. The workout consists of 2 exercises, jumping jacks and high knees. Before I start the workout, I'm going to show you how to do each exercise first. To do jumping jacks, your arms on the side of you, your feet together. Then what you do, you jump, arms in the air, feet separated, jump again, arms on the side of you, feet together. Once again, jump, arms in the air, feet separated, jump again, arms on the side of you, feet together. At a faster pace, it goes like this. To do high knees, let me turn to the side. What you do is you have one leg up, then you put the other leg up. Alternate both of them, just like this. At a faster pace, it's supposed to look like this. For the workout, we're going to do 20 seconds of jumping jacks, then we're going to do 20 seconds of high knees. We're going to alternate both of them for 5 sets. That count as 1 round. Then you rest for 2 minutes, then you repeat that process again. First, we got 20 seconds of jumping jacks. Let's go. Now you're on the high knees for 20 seconds, let's go. And that's the end of the video. That round I just showed you, you do that 1 or 2 more times, and make sure between each round you rest for 2 minutes. To finish the rest of your rounds, you can also go back in the video and replay the part I showed, so you can feel like I'm doing a workout with you if that fits better for you. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing and also hitting the bell and select all to get all notifications. Like the video, comment more video ideas below, share this video with your friends and family, follow These Muscles on Instagram @thesemuscles, and These Muscles!